Learning Activity 3, English 1. Hello, my name is Gina Rocha, and today I want to tell you a little about my family. My family is made up of my father, my mother, my sister, and I. My father, his name is Victor Manuel Rocha Cortez, age 60 years old, occupation construction master, family tie father. My mother, her name is Blanca Teresa Cortez Santiago, age 57 years old, occupation housewife, family tie mother. My sister, her name is Natalia Rocha Cortez, age 23 years old, occupation accounting assistant, family tie sister. Thank you. See you soon.